Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Please like, subscribe and comment. If you have any new idea or problem related PC, mobile or application, you can comment. I will try to solve your problem in my next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment.